say, e-commerce websites, networking, and online apps have taken the world by storm. And putting all services under one roof, we call it web development. Businesses need an online presence more than ever before, and that is why web development is in huge demand. Different businesses dealing with different perspectives have their own web development process. However, this variation leads to misconceptions. So this video is all about clearing the uncertainties regarding the web development myths. Myth number 1, web development is easy. Most people misunderstand that web development is all about building websites. Truth be told, it is something more than that. Developers should possess proficient skills and have good knowledge of programming languages like CSS, HTML, JavaScript, etc. Creating websites seem to be basic tasks, but its development requires a lot of exposure, such as testing the website, controlling them, and running them optimally. Myth number 2, developers should be able to multitask. Developers should be able to multitask. A developer is a genius to perform every development task. The truth is that developers can build websites with code and programming languages. However, there are many other aspects to consider, such as content creation, data analysis, graphics designing, and more. The developers cannot perform all these duties, and they need other technicians to work on them. Myth number 3, you don't need to have a responsive web design. Let me first tell you what responsive web design is. Responsive web design helps to display a website perfectly on different screens. To be very honest, it is necessary to check the responsiveness of your web design because customer proximity depends on it. The website's content, information, and usability should not differ from the screen variations. Myth number 4, e-commerce websites are more expensive. This is another myth related to web development that costs more to build an e-commerce website. However, this is not true. The cost largely depends on the website's features, design, and layout. Costs increase as websites become more complex. You can easily customize the design and layout of your website according to your needs and budget. Myth number 5, attractive homepage is all we need. Since the homepage is the first thing that appears on the website, it is necessary to create an attractive one. However, it is not the only factor that brings engagements to the prior website. The overall performance of the website is all that matters. The quality it offers will reflect its reputation for making it strong. Myth number 6, creating a website is the last thing. People misunderstand that the job is done once their website is created. However, this is not so simple. Creating a website is just the beginning. You need to nurture it with all the trends and advancements more than building a quality website. You need to check the customer's engagements, proximities, website server, and other things initially. Myth number 7, no need for SEO while website creation. The last myth is the lack of SEO during the web development process. The truth is that SEO is also necessary from the very beginning of web development. SEO is needed at an early stage for various purposes such as building page responsiveness, creating HTTPS for security concerns, increase website speed, organize websites hierarchically, creating sitemaps and robots.txt files, improving web page URL structure. We have listened to these myths for a very long time and now it's all busted. If these myths are keeping you away from pursuing your dreams, we hope this video helps you understand the truth behind being a web developer. Do not fall for the unreasonable assumptions or preconceived notions that can hinder your web development process. Reach out to us to seek professional help for your web development and designing projects.